Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add an eSIM to your iPhone 15 Pro. First of all, you're gonna have to purchase a SIM card from your carrier, and once you do that, you will receive a QR code that you're gonna have to scan using your device's camera, or just add an eSIM using your carrier's application. But in case you're doing it using the QR code and you want to set your eSIM using your device's settings, go to Settings, then select Cellular, then select Setup Cellular. Then, as you can see, we have three options: either transfer from nearby iPhone, or use QR code, or transfer from Android. I'm gonna use the second option. So once you have your QR code prepared, tap Scan QR code and then face your rear camera to the QR code. Make sure that you can see it clearly. And after that, just wait for a moment. Then tap Continue to activate your new eSIM. Then you're gonna have to choose the type of plan that you have. So you can select data only if you're only planning to use internet, so for web browsing, and not calling and texting messages. And if you have voice and data plan, select the second option. Once you have selected it, tap Continue. And then if you want to turn on low data mode, tap right here. Otherwise, tap Not Now. And right now your eSIM is set up on your smartphone and you can use it right away. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.